my name is Rachel Tucker. Today I'm going to show you how to change a spare tire. First, you'll want to pull over to a safe spot and turn on your hazards. Refer to your owner's manual and locate your spare tire and tools. In this case, they're in the trunk. You're going to make sure that your spare tire is aired up. This one's good, and then you're going to take your tools out and place them in your work area. Alright, before we race the car, we're going to break free the lug nuts with the lug wrench by twisting left. Refer to your owner's manual to find the proper or preferred lifting points. Locate that on the bottom of your car and place your jack underneath. Raise the jack up until it's almost to the point. Now you're going to finish untightening the lug nuts and remove the tire. Now we're going to hand tighten the lug nuts on the spare tire. Now, safely lower the car to the ground. Alright, now we're going to finish tightening the lug nuts as tight as we can. Remember to go in an alternating star pattern. Alright, now that we're done, we're going to put away our tools and our tire, turn off our hazards, and head to a local technician to put on a proper tire. Stay safe out there.